Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Ford Focus SE Hatchback, stock number B9473P. 41,000 miles on this Focus. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Magnetic gray metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well, 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. Automatic transmission. Storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Focus has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average, 26 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 38 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Focus, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.